Now, despite the price of Terra Luna Classic remaining relatively steady over the last really couple of weeks, it is showing massive amounts of strength in the overall cryptocurrency market that we're facing at the moment. And I want to discuss why, because a lot of people, they begin to drop off the moment any investment, not just Terra Luna Classic, but the moment any investment begins to move sideways, it loses the thrill, it loses the excitement, it loses the luster. But, I mean, what are they waiting for? Some sort of a gamble? I mean, are we sitting here and the only time that we can make money is if something is 500xing? Guys, if we look at Terra Luna Classic right now in comparison to the overall cryptocurrency market and what is going on in the economy, it is winning, and it is one of the only assets that is winning. So I want to discuss it, and of course, if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks in crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and a $1 crypto trade gets you $5 in free crypto. Now, if you want a crypto exclusive exchange where you can buy Terra Luna Classic, you've got KuCoin and Binance in the description as well. KuCoin offers rewards for the more active trader, and of course we know that the international Binance link down there, they are contributing to burns by burning their trading fees, and they did $1.85 million worth of burns last week. It will be less this week, but they will also be burning. So make sure to check that out if you guys want to contribute to the burns and get yourself some Terra Luna Classic. But let's discuss this, and I want to first start off with some KuCoin statistics so that we can see that Terra Luna Classic is still the top coin out there right now, despite everything going on in the market. And then I want to swing a little bit into what is actually going on in the market and why these times are so tough. So if you're looking at Terra Luna Classic, over the last hour, there's been 1,600 people that traded on the KuCoin platform. Now, relative to all of the other coins, that is a lot. Relative to what Terra Luna Classic has been doing in the past, it is not. So let's look at that. Number one traded coin on the platform right now. It is the number one gem, as they call it. But if we're looking at what it's been doing in the past, when Terra Luna Classic was running up to 50,000, 60,000 points per coin, there were over 20,000 traders per hour piling in to get their hands on Terra Luna Classic. The buys to sell ratios were positive. You had pros and whales buying, and everybody was FOMOing in because the price was moving higher. This was excellent, right? This was unprecedented. This was causing 10x increases in a very short period of time for the price of Terra Luna Classic there. And now, even though it is still the top coin on the platform, it is being traded much less than it was just weeks prior. Now, when this happens, people do get a little discouraged and a little distraught, and they say, I thought I was going to be a millionaire by Christmas. I thought I was going to be able to go out and have a Lamborghini in the driveway by the time that Santa got here. And, you know, there's still that possibility. We know that the cryptocurrency market is absolutely wild, but why? Why is that necessary? It seems like it's a necessity for anybody investing these days, that if they're not 10, 20, 30xing their money overnight, it's not enough. When did that become not enough? I mean, answer that for yourself, because it's really going to show whether or not you're here for simply some short-term speculative gains, or you're actually here for the whale-type status gains that Terra Luna Classic can provide, as long as the blockchain is rebuilt, reinvigorated, and done right. That's why we're in Terra Luna Classic. That's why the lunatics are here, to take this dead coin, right? One that fell out of the sky, crash landed, and everybody abandoned, but the lunatics. If that is you, doesn't matter if it happens tomorrow, it doesn't matter if it happens 5 years down the road, you will be here to see this thing through. And I want to touch a little bit on that. maybe in another video and talk about timelines and stuff like that. But why is the overall market so important right now? Guys, we are facing basically unprecedented bear market times. You have to go back to 2008, and I don't know how many of you were, of age in 2008 and worried about stock markets and things like that. It was a very tough time. It was devastating declines. And yes, the declines then, percentage-wise, outpaced the declines that we are currently seeing. However, we are still on our way down. Guys, this bear market is not over. The inflation that we are seeing right now did not occur in 2008. Sure, maybe jobs were more scarce back then, but people don't want to work now. It is, if you're comparing the two time frames, it is definitely a different time and a different day and age that we are living in right now with jobs available, maybe, but people willing to work and put in an effort, absolutely not. So it's very strange to see this all unfolding, and it is going to boil down to what happens this week. This bear market could absolutely get worse. We could see Bitcoin fall through the floor. We could see cryptocurrency just basically, decline even further on the inflation report. So I believe it is Thursday, 8:30 a.m. Eastern time. We're going to have the inflation numbers come out. If we see it peak back up, if it starts to tick back up, inflation could cause a downward spiral in both the stock market and the cryptocurrency market, and it is going to be very important to see how Terra Luna Classic handles during that situation. If people sell off, it's still okay, guys. It's the overall bear market devastating investors. If it doesn't, if Terra Luna Classic remains steady, even though it's not exciting, if Terra Luna Classic remains steady during a massive market sell-off in both stocks and crypto because of inflation, you know for a fact that you have something special. That should be celebrated, perhaps more than a 10 or 20x gain, knowing that Terra Luna Classic is completely detached from the overall crypto market and that we are here for a reason, and that reason is to rebuild. I want to know what you guys think. Down in the comments below, let me know your thoughts on Terra Luna Classic and I guess its relationship to the overall cryptocurrency market right now. And of course, if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a pro. We are here every single day and we are growing our portfolios together. You guys got ClayBro 883 everywhere. You're getting 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin, and Binance. And until the next time, I hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.